Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making savvy purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a freshly extruded filament. On my left, we have the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo, and on my right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Two titans in the 3D printing world, but which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First up, let's talk assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo boasts an easy assembly process that's friendlier than a golden retriever at a dog park. It's pre-installed and requires only 3 steps. Even your grandma could put this together during her afternoon tea break. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo, well, it doesn't really brag about its assembly process, which means it's probably the IKEA of 3D printers. According to multiple reviews, this means you might need to grab your Allen wrenches and maybe a Swedish meatball or two, because you're in for a ride. Next, bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's like having R2D2 handle your bed leveling. 16 points of automatic leveling bliss. You can say goodbye to the frustration of manual leveling. Kobra 2 Neo isn't left in the dust though. It features LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. It's got a unique module that compensates for the Z-axis offset, making sure your prints start off smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. It's a leveling system so smart, it probably has a PhD in bed leveling. Reviewers have praised both systems, but some have noted occasional glitches with the Kobra 2 Neo. Now let's talk about the user interface. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a brand new 4.3-inch UI that adds a model preview function. It's like having a crystal ball for your 3D prints. Plus, it supports 9 languages, just in case you want your printer to shout at you in Spanish, French, or Klingon. The Kobra 2 Neo, however, doesn't really mention its UI. Maybe it's shy, maybe it's just hiding behind its other features. Who knows? But if you're someone who likes to see what you're printing before you actually print it, the Ender 3v2 Neo has got your back. Reviewers have mentioned that the user-friendly interface of the Ender 3v2 Neo is a significant plus. Moving on to the build plate. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a PC spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of build plates. Good adhesion, easy removal, and it sticks to the surface immediately. It's so convenient, you might just want to marry it. Kobra 2 Neo? Well, it doesn't specify much about its build plate. It's like that mysterious guy at a party who says he's in business. Could be great, could be meh. We just don't know. Reviewers of the Ender 3v2 Neo have praised its build plate for ease of use and reliability. Finally, let's talk hardware. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a silent motherboard and a full metal extruder. This thing is quieter than a ninja tiptoeing on cotton balls. Plus, the full metal extruder means less risk of nozzle blockage. It's like the superhero of extruders. Strong and reliable. The Kobra 2 Neo counters with a new integrated extruder and a rapid cooling fan. This baby can print at speeds up to 250 millimeters per second. It's the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. If you're in a hurry to bring your ideas to life, this one's got you covered. Reviewers have praised the Kobra 2 Neo for its speed, but noted some reliability issues. In summary, the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo generally receives praise for its ease of assembly, reliable bed leveling, intuitive UI, versatile build plate, and reliable hardware. Users appreciate the overall experience, but note that some patience and learning are required. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is lauded for its speed and advanced features, though some users have experienced reliability issues. It has a mixed reception, with some users loving its performance and others facing challenges. So which 3D printer is the ultimate champion? If you're looking for ease of assembly and a stellar UI, the Ender 3 V2 Neo is your go-to. But if speed and advanced extrusion systems are more your thing, the Kobra 2 Neo might be calling your name. Either way, both printers are fantastic choices that'll turn your 3D printing dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!